2 of taking off my Rad and putting on N2Deep's Rad. So last night, or not last night, a couple days ago, we got this bad boy unbolted, and now I need to take all these hoses off and make a mess. This is gonna be fun. Wow, it's been like 4-5 years since this was off. Probably 4 years. That's crazy. It looks so different. I had a little spill. That's why we got the rubber mats down. I really wish that I'd never had electrical issue, because I would be done this job in like 20 minutes, but I gotta take the rack off and go from there and see what the issue is. Hopefully I can find it pretty quick. Like I found and fixed John's in like 5 minutes. I'm hoping it's gonna be the same thing. It's probably not gonna be, but that's it. I know stuff isn't caked on with mud in there. Holy smokes. So I just got back from Princess Auto, and I always spend more money than I tend to. I only went to get 2 switches for down there. They were $3.99 each. Anyways, I spent like 60 bucks at Princess Auto. I can't even remember what I bought, and I just got back. It's a problem. I'm really upset. This just broke off, and it's for my rack. Right there. Oh, that sucks. That sucks so much. I do got a hole drilled out there now, so hopefully I'll find a bolt that could fit in there, and I'll just try to get a lock nut on the end of it, and it should be good as new. Over here, I'm checking out all these fuses here. I just checked the 40 amps out. I think one of these was pretty in rough shape for John, so we just that's why we fixed on his and spliced a wire somewhere for him. But yeah, we're gonna check these out now. I just got really stressed out then. The old Grizzly wasn't turning on after I removed all the stuff from the negative terminal, and I added something and tried to turn it on, and it didn't turn on. So I was like, oh no, what did I do? Anyways, I just didn't push in the fuse all the way in the last clip there. Could have been bad. Well, I think I found the issue for I think it's my light bar. That is chewed up somehow. I'm not certain that's my light bar. It's on a switch. I think the other one's my rocker. So guys, right here is a light bar harness. There should be 3 wires, but obviously the neutral is gone. So right now I don't really want to mess around with getting a new harness right now or anything. It's going to be more work in the future, because I'll have to take off this front area again, but that's alright. But right now I'm just going to eliminate it from the circuit. Alright dudes, it's all put back together. What do I need to do? Put a rack on now. And this was my very first rack kit I ever installed, and did an amateur move and cut this pipe. I know I shouldn't have, but that was my very first racket. So I am going to cut this now, because N2Deep sits lower, so I should have more than enough hose there to make that work for me. Now I'm just taking apart this rad kit right here. There's still liquid in there, so I'm trying to be careful and not tip it around too much. The rad is basically on. You drill 4 holes here, bolted up, fix this up, put the other hoses on. But I think I am going to put my snorkels on first there, just because it'll make stuff like 50 times easier. Snorkels are back on. Yeah, rig out there, strippers. Yeah. Holes are drilled and everything. right here and here, but I'm down a bolt because I ended up using one of Travis's bolts he gave me. Go down here. I also lost 3 lock nuts somehow, so I'm gonna run up to Kent and get those. I'll see if figure out this here. Zip tie that, I guess. Well guys, I did forget to finish off the video, but anyways, here's a rad kit right here. I just need to put an antifreeze in it and the bike will be good to go. Also, right here and here, John took the bolts from my kit, so he owes me some bolts. Asked for like a light bar, which is right here. Exciting.
Go get it. 1996, I need a label so you know my brand. Got a lot of money stashed from when I sold the contraband. Now it's in the TSX, investing in the dividends. We go into the moon with XRP, just let it sink in. The world be changing every day, it's still about how much you pay. Corrupt as ever, trying to keep my head above the wave. Navigating through these waters, getting hotter, they want me to stop, I'm never stalling.